ายดีพ่อแม่พี่น้องมือหนึ่งจับกล้องก็เลยหนมบ่ได้ มื้อนี้สิพามาเตรียมเครื่องเฮ็ดfried rice. Today I'm gonna make chicken fried rice and let's go see. I'll slice this first. I got a fancy knife thing, so when I cut like that, see, I use a baby carrot and cut it so it's kind of like a little shape that is cute and pretty. So I'm gonna mix in my corn and pea. I'll let you see after I done chopping this. This is the rice that I'm just gonna mix it. This is another way to make the fried rice. So I put chicken bouillon and then sugar and then salt and then this soy sauce, black soy sauce. And then I'll marinate the chicken with oyster sauce, then chicken bouillon on the side, and then this is the pea and all the vegetable. นี่นะเขาเอาข้าวมาคลุกใส่กับน้ำมันหอยเนาะตัวนั้นมันไก่น้ำมันหอย chicken bouillon แล้วก็เกลือน้อยนึง so I have salt in here and soy sauce. Now I'm gonna mix it. This is the rice after I mix with soy sauce. This is chicken. I didn't mix it yet, so I'm gonna mix it. Just marinate it so they can get good flavor. I don't have my camera stand. Then we're gonna make fried rice. First of all, we turn on the heat and then wait until the pan is hot, and then I put some oil in there. And after the pan is very hot, I will put 2 eggs in there. This one I make it for 1 box. I'm gonna make it for Cat, so I'm gonna put extra egg roll for her. She's pregnant though. 1 for the baby, 1 for you, Cat. So after that, I will set the eggs on the side, and then I'll put some chicken in there. Put some chicken, and then I will set the egg on the side with the rice. After the chicken all cooked, then I will pour the rice and egg back to the pan. During this time, my heat is very hot. Like turn the heat on high and then stir all the chicken. Cook them until it's all the way cooked. ตอนนี้เขาเปิดไฟแสงๆเนาะคั่วไข่แล้วเอาใส่นั้น And this is soy sauce that I use because I didn't put a lot of salt on my chicken. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. หลังจากคั่วไก่ใส่สีสุกแล้วเขาก็ซิดน้ำซีอิ๊วใส่จักหน่อยเนาะ Right now the flavor, the smell of soy sauce is very strong right now, but the chicken is almost cooked. ไก่เฮาใกล้จะสุกแล้วเนาะ หลังจากนั้นเฮาก็เอาข้าวลง This is the egg and that's for Cat. I mark it down so I will not confuse. When you make fried rice, you want to make 1 by 1.If you have 10 box, then you have to make 10. You don't want to make like a whole lot in one time. Make sure every single rice seed get burned. That's how you get flavor. And your fried rice tastes good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep stir fry, like stir them all, mix it up.And you can taste it. If you want to put some more soy sauce, you can. And then I will put put some mixed vegetable in there and then keep stirring. Keep stir all that together, and you can taste it. If you want to put more soy sauce, you can. If somebody like sweet, they can put more, but I don't want to put too much of sugar because it's gonna be not good. I don't really like that super sweet. Taste it. You can put more soy sauce, or you don't need to if you eat not too much salty taste, you know. I put some more, a little bit more to get more flavor, and I keep stirring them. Turn the heat up, and then I'm finishing with the onion, and that's it. Just keep stirring because onion is easy to cook. หลังจากเขาคั่วทุกอย่างแล้วเรียบร้อยแล้วเขาก็เอาพอผักบัวใหญ่ลงเนาะแล้วเขาก็ค้นปิดไฟเพราะว่าผักบัวใหญ่นี่มันจะสุกไว The onion is easy to cook. Yup, that is so good. So you wanna do like that when you do fried rice. Then your fried rice, it will taste good, taste unique. It will not taste like a restaurant because you know you keep heated. It's like a homemade, so it's always tastes better, you know. Yep, that's it. That's all set for the fried rice. See, it's ready to put in a box. Let's get a little closer. I tried to grab my camera stand, so yeah, I hope you can see it close. Yep. Now we just gonna put it in the box. For Cat, this is for you, Catherine. All set. Look, it's still like steaming hot. See, it's not too hard if you like to cook, you know. Whatever you have, grab it out, cook it, stir it, and then it's good to eat. เสร็จไปเรียบร้อยแล้วเนาะข้าวผัดไก่ It's all finishing up for the chicken fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like, share, subscribe เป็นกำลังใจคนไก่บ้านนะพี่น้องเนาะอันนี้แมนข้าวผัดไก่ chicken fried rice for Cat This is for you, Cat Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks จบไปแล้วเนาะสำหรับคลิปวิดีโอการ make chicken fried rice ขอขอบใจสำหรับผลิตภัณฑ์ดีๆจาก Valentine's เนาะ One cup today can change the world ลดหุ่นได้บวกกลับมาตุ้ยขอขอบใจพบกันใหม่คลิปหน้าสบายดี